Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of coffee tables. These central pieces in our living rooms are more than just a place to put your coffee cup or remote control. They are style statements, functional furniture, and sometimes even conversation starters. So, stick around as we explore 7 fascinating things you should know about coffee tables. Whether you're looking to buy a new one, revamp an old one, or just learn something new, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. Number 1, the history of coffee tables. Have you ever wondered where coffee tables originated? The history of the coffee table is quite intriguing and dates back to the late Victorian era. These tables started gaining popularity in the 19th century in Europe, particularly in England. Initially, these tables were used for tea-drinking ceremonies, but as coffee became more popular, they transitioned into what we now call coffee tables. Interestingly, the design of these tables was influenced by the Japanese style. Low tables were a staple in Japanese homes, and this design made its way to Europe, merging with Victorian elegance. The coffee table, as we know it, really started taking shape in the early 20th century when furniture makers began to innovate and create various designs to cater to different tastes and functionalities. By the mid-20th century, coffee tables became a standard piece of furniture in American homes. They were often designed to complement the style of the living room, which was becoming a more central space in the home. Modernist designers like Isamu Noguchi and Charles and Ray Eames contributed significantly to the evolution of coffee table design, making them more artistic and functional. Number 2, choosing the right coffee table for your space. Choosing the perfect coffee table for your living space can be quite the task. It's not just about picking something that looks good, it needs to fit your space, match your style, and serve the purpose you need it for. Here are some tips to help you make the right choice. First, consider the size of your room and the furniture around the coffee table. The height of the table should be just right, ideally, the same height or slightly lower than the cushions of your sofa. You don't want a table that's too high or too low because it can be uncomfortable and impractical to use. Next, think about the shape. If you have a smaller space, a round or oval coffee table can be a great choice as it takes up less room and allows for better flow around the furniture. On the other hand, a rectangular or square table can offer more surface area and storage options but might require more space. Materials also play a crucial role. Wooden coffee tables bring warmth and a classic feel to the room, while glass tables can make a space feel larger and more modern. Metal and stone are other materials that can add an interesting texture and durability to your table. Lastly, don't forget about functionality. Do you need storage? Look for tables with shelves or drawers. Do you often entertain? A larger surface area might be necessary. Multifunctional coffee tables that can convert or expand are also worth considering if you're looking to maximize your space. Number 3, styling your coffee table. Now that you've chosen the perfect coffee table, it's time to style it. A well-styled coffee table can enhance the look of your living room and reflect your personal style. Here are some styling tips to make your coffee table look Instagram-worthy. Start with a base layer. This could be a beautiful tray that helps corral smaller items and adds an organized look. Trays also make it easy to move everything out of the way if you need the table for other purposes. Books are a fantastic addition to any coffee table. Choose a few coffee table books that reflect your interests and stack them neatly. They add height and dimension to the table, and guests love flipping through them. Next, add some greenery. A small plant or a vase of fresh flowers can bring life to your coffee table and make the space feel more inviting. If you're worried about maintenance, high-quality artificial plants can be a good alternative. Personal touches are what make your coffee table unique. Add a few decorative objects that have personal meaning or that fit the aesthetic of your room. This could be anything from a unique sculpture, a candle, or a small bowl filled with interesting items. Don't forget about balance. Too many items can make the table look cluttered. Try to maintain a balance between decorative and functional items, and leave some space so the table doesn't look too busy. Number 4, DIY coffee table projects. If you're someone who loves a good DIY project, making your own coffee table can be a rewarding and cost-effective way to get a piece that perfectly fits your space and style. Here are a few DIY ideas to get your creative juices flowing. One popular DIY project is the pallet coffee table. Wooden pallets are inexpensive and versatile, and with a bit of sanding, staining, and adding some wheels or legs, you can create a rustic and charming coffee table. It's a project that even beginners can tackle with some basic tools. Another great idea is to upcycle an old piece of furniture. Have an old trunk or chest lying around. With a bit of cleaning and maybe a fresh coat of paint, you can turn it into a unique coffee table that also offers plenty of storage. For those who love the industrial look, consider making a coffee table from pipes and wood. This project involves using metal pipes for the legs and frame, and a wooden plank for the top. It's sturdy, stylish, and relatively easy to assemble with the right tools. If you're feeling particularly crafty, you can create a mosaic coffee table. Using an old table as a base, you can add tiles and a beautiful pattern to the top, creating a unique and colorful piece that will be a conversation starter in your living room. Number 5. Coffee table trends. Just like any other piece of furniture, coffee tables go through trends. Keeping up with these trends can help you keep your living space looking fresh and modern. Let's take a look at some of the current trends in coffee table design. Minimalism continues to be a strong trend. Simple, clean lines and functional designs are in high demand. Minimalist coffee tables often use materials like glass and metal and focus on a sleek, uncluttered look. Mixed materials are also very popular right now. Think combinations of wood and metal, glass and stone, or even different types of wood. These tables add visual interest and can tie together different elements in a room. Sustainable and eco-friendly designs are gaining traction as well. Coffee tables made from reclaimed wood or other recycled materials are not only good for the environment but also add a unique character to your space. Multifunctional coffee tables are a big hit, especially in smaller living spaces. Tables that can double as storage units, workspaces, or even dining tables are becoming increasingly popular. Lastly, bold colors and unique shapes are making a comeback. Don't be afraid to choose a coffee table with a vibrant color or an unconventional shape to make a statement in your living room. Number 6. Caring for your coffee table. To keep your coffee table looking its best, regular maintenance and care are essential. Different materials require different care, so here are some tips to help you keep your coffee table in top shape. For wooden coffee tables, regular dusting with a soft, dry cloth is key. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners as they can damage the wood. Once in a while, use a good quality furniture polish to keep the wood looking shiny and new. Glass coffee tables are relatively easy to maintain. Use a glass cleaner and a microfiber cloth to wipe away smudges and fingerprints. Be careful with heavy objects as they can scratch the glass surface. Stone and marble tables require a bit more care. Wipe up spills immediately to avoid staining, and use coasters to protect the surface from heat and moisture. Avoid using acidic or abrasive cleaners, instead, use a pH-neutral cleaner designed for stone surfaces. Metal tables can be cleaned with a damp cloth and a mild soap solution. Dry them thoroughly to prevent rust and use a metal polish if necessary to keep them looking shiny. Number 7. The future of coffee tables. As we move forward, the future of coffee tables looks exciting. With advancements in technology and changing lifestyles, coffee tables are becoming more than just a piece of furniture. Smart coffee tables are emerging, featuring built-in speakers, charging ports, and even mini refrigerators. These tables cater to the tech-savvy consumer, providing convenience and modern functionality. Sustainable design will continue to be a major trend, with more focus on eco-friendly materials and production methods. Designers are constantly looking for ways to create beautiful and functional pieces while minimizing environmental impact. Customization is also on the rise. More and more consumers are looking for unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect their personal style. Custom coffee tables allow for endless possibilities in terms of design, material, and functionality. Finally, as our living spaces continue to evolve, so will our coffee tables. Whether it's through modular designs that can be easily reconfigured or through tables that serve multiple purposes, the coffee table will remain a central and versatile piece in our homes. And there you have it, 7 things you should know about coffee tables. From their rich history to the latest trends, there's so much more to these everyday pieces of furniture than meets the eye. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.